Pin the center front and side front pieces together, layer 1 and layer 2. Match all notches. Sew right sides together with a straight stitch on your sewing machine. Press the seam allowances open. Sew the two back pieces together along the center back seam, layer 1 and layer 2, right sides together. Press the seam allowances open. Let's work on the ties. Fold each strip in half lengthwise, right sides together. Pin along the raw edge. Sew a straight stitch close to the edge and close off one end. Turn the tie right side out. Press the tie so that the seam sits neatly along the folded edge. Top stitch close to the edge. Pin the back pieces to the front pieces at the shoulder seams, right sides together. Sew and press the seam allowances open. Layer 1 and layer 2 right sides together. Make sure both layers are identical in size. If there's any excess fabric, trim it so that both layers match exactly. Pin all around. Insert one tie into each corner between the two center front layers. Sew all around the vest, leaving the side seams open. Clip all curved edges and trim any sharp corners. Be careful not to cut into the stitching. Turn the vest right side out. To do this, place your hand through one of the side seam openings and grab a layer of the vest through the shoulder strap. Gently pull it through the same opening. Both front parts should come out through the same side seam opening. Take your time and be gentle. Press all the seams carefully, making sure the seam sits directly on the fold. Let's sew the side seams. Start by aligning the top of the seams under the armpit. Pin right sides together, matching the tops. Reach through the vest to pull that pinned section out from the opposite side. Pin and sew the full circle of the side seam. Turn the vest right side out again. One side seam is now fully closed. The second side seam is a bit trickier. Start the same way. Pin right sides together at the top. This time you won't be able to sew the entire circle. Just sew as far as possible. You'll be left with a small opening, which you'll need to close by hand. Fold in the raw edges and slip stitch. Give the vest one final pressing. Now it's time to attach the two ties. One goes on the side of layer 1, the other one goes on the side of layer 2. Use the two notches along the side seam of the back piece to find the correct placement. Make sure both ties are positioned at the same height. Pin both layers of the vest together at the tie placement point to keep them from shifting. Place the raw edge of the tie close to the seam. Sew to anchor the tie, securing both vest layers. Pro tip: use different thread colors for the top and bottom, so the bobbin thread matches the main fabric on the underside. Fold the tie over to encase the raw edge. Sew again, trying to stitch directly on top of the side seam line. Repeat the same process for the second tie. You are done. Now, it's time to conquer the world.